that I saw you, I knew that we were you. When the chemistry felt that day, it felt so real and so true. Looking back on it, we spent together, how we felt, what we went through. We had a little ups and downs, but still pulled through.
Baby girl, you're my world, my everything. I wanna lace you with diamonds and every ring. Give you everything you dream. Cause you can tell me that you love me looking in my eyes. You keep it real with me, I'll keep it real with you. You keep on loving me, I'll keep on loving you. Keep doing what you do, I'll feel your whole aura. And I can wait to
But up for you, I will never always be a part of me. Long as the sun keeps on passing by, always be my baby boy. Every time I look at you, I can't believe I found a love so true. And since I fell into my trust in you, I must admit it was so hard to do. Didn't got obsessed with you. Can't believe I have nothing to lose. Deep down I always knew that you would be mine.
because I got a funny feeling this was meant to be. Without you, all the tools I sit next to me. A bird replacing the house full of luxuries. Little kids, day one, I was born to be who was gonna be the one. My heart's cold for the first time in a long while. And every time you smile, I can see you smoking up the aisle. You
the only one who makes my heart wanna beat. Cause you're my
Then I looked into your eyes, I knew that you were gonna be mine. Feeling you from the inside. When you're not by my side, you're the only girl that's on my mind. I never knew a love like this.
This is so dry.
Nothing so picture perfect, it can never be wrong. Along the way, you're gonna see you along with Jay. I might have to marry you.
I'm pausing it.
Keep on passing by.